Hello my dear friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. Today in this video we'll be solving one very interesting question from rational equations for the real values of x. So let's get started. I can write denominators cannot be 0. So our answer can't be -1 and cannot be -3/2. Now I will take 2 common from this bracket only. Numerator bracket we will take 2 common out. So it will come out as 4. I can write 4x plus 5 over x plus 1 whole square plus 4 will be there. In the bracket we can write 4x plus 5 over 2x plus 3 whole square equal to 96. Now I will divide our equation by 16, or I can say divided by 1 over 4 square both sides. So I will write here in the denominator 4 square. Here we can write 4 square as 16. So RHS will give us 6. In LHS I will cancel this 4 with 1 power, and this 4 we can write this is 2 square. This 4 I can write 2 square. So I can multiply this 2 into the bracket. And here I will take 4 into the bracket. So I will get my equation 4x plus 5 over 4x plus 4, and then we can put power 2 plus 4x plus 5 over, we have to multiply by 2 in the denominator. So we will write 4x plus 2 times 3 is 6 whole square equal to 6. Now we will use substitutions. Let me write our equation here. Now we can use our substitution. Let us consider 4x plus 5 equal to a, suppose. So 4x plus 4 will be a minus 1, and 4x plus 6 will be a plus 1. So our equation will convert into a over a minus 1 whole square plus a over a plus 1 whole square equal to 6. Now I will add both sides 2 times the product of these two brackets. So I can write a over a minus 1 times a over a plus 1, which will be equal to a square over a square minus 1. So we will add in the RHS also 2 times a square over a square minus 1. Now you can see if I will write one formula for a plus b whole square, or we can use other variable. I will write m square plus n square plus 2mn. Then we can write this is m plus n whole square in our LHS. So I can write a over a minus 1 plus a over a plus 1 whole square. This will be our LHS. And RHS we can write 6 plus, it was 2a square over a square minus 1. Now we have to simplify, take LCM. So I can get a square plus a square. So I can write directly 2a square over a minus 1 times a plus 1, a square minus 1 whole square. This will be equal to 6 plus 2a square over a square minus 1. Take all the terms to LHS, or we can consider substitution here. Let's say this bracket is m. So here also we can write m. So this is our consideration. So I will write our equation m square equal to 6 plus m. Take all the terms to LHS. So I will write m square minus m minus 6 equal to 0. So our substitutions are, if I will write, the value of m was 2a square over a square minus 1. This was m. And at the beginning, we considered 4x plus 5 equal to a. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. So I can use method of factorization. So m square minus m, I can write minus 3m plus 2m minus 6 equal to 0. Or I can write m is common in the bracket, we will get m minus 3. 2 is common here. In the bracket, we will get m minus 3. RHS will be writing 0. So factorization is done. M minus 3 times m plus 2 equal to 0. So from here we can write either m minus 3 equal to 0 or m plus 2 equal to 0. So I can write m will be equal to 3 here, and m we can get from here minus 2. Now m was our substitution. So I need to put m equal to 2a square over a square minus 1. So I will write 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 3, and here also 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to minus 2. Now we will cross multiply. So I will write 2a square equal to 3 times a square minus 1, or we can get 2a square equal to 3a square minus 3. Now I will take 2a square to the RHS minus 3 to the LHS. We will get a square equal to 3. Now I can write here a will come out plus minus square root 3. Now we will consider our second equation. Let's solve this. Second equation will be cross multiplying 2a square minus 2a square plus 2. Now I will take minus 2a square to the LHS. We will get 4a square equal to plus 2. Now we will divide both sides by 4. So we can write a square will be equal to half. Or we can write this is root 2 over 2. So a will come out. I will write here plus minus 1 over root 2. Let us consider this one. Now a was our substitution, 4x plus 5. So let me write here a equal to plus minus square root 3 and plus minus 1 over square root 2. Now a was 4x plus 5. So this will be equal to plus minus root 3 and plus minus 1 over root 2. Now I will subtract 5 from both the sides. So we will write here 4x will be equal to minus 5 plus minus square root 3. And here I will be writing minus 5 plus minus. Let's write 1 over root 2 as root 2 over 2. Now we have to divide both sides by 4. So I will write x will be equal to minus 5 plus minus root 3 over 4. And here I will write 1 over 4. In the bracket we will take LCM. So we have to write minus 10 plus minus square root 2 over 2. Or I can write x will be equal to minus 5 plus minus square root 3 over 4 and minus 10 plus minus root 2 over 8. Let me write here our final answer. Minus 5 plus minus root 3 over 4. So two solutions are here and two solutions are, if I will write minus 10 plus minus square root 2 over 8. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.